guys, I've got a case review for you guys from Proporta.com. This is the anti-microbial agent with SteriTouch. So basically, and we as general, your iPhone has a lot, 50 times more germs than a general toilet has. And this one you can get it in 3 colors: green inside, pink inside, and grey inside. This is a dual silicone case, and this is for the iPhone 3GS. So let's just get into it. And it comes with a lifetime warranty. Obviously you can buy this from Proporta.com. Link will be in the bar below. Oh, that's some simple packaging. Here's the case. Oh, it feels really good. As you can see, there's a dummy phone in here. Then they also do give a screen protector, which is quite nice. And here's just a fake iPhone. And here's the case itself. I have to tell you, it looks really good. It feels really good in the hand. Let me just take my current case off my iPhone and we'll put it in. Overall, I think it looks amazing, really. It's got the appropriate cutouts, the headphone jack, the lock button, the volume rockers, vibrate button, and dock connectors. So let's just put it in. Obviously. There you go, it's on, and it looks really nice. It feels good in the hand. There's only one problem really, which is it's not covering. As you can see, it covers the chrome here, but it doesn't, or should I say bezel. Maybe after some time. Oh, there you go. Oh, no, it's not covering there. Well, it doesn't matter. After some stretching and some time of use, obviously it will go back into its correct position. Looks really good. Really nice looking case, nice texture, a perfect cutout for the camera, easily accessible lock screen, volume rockers as well. Yeah, that's easily reachable. Vibrate button, not so easy, but you just have to use your nail, I guess, because the silicone actually covers it when you're going over. So yeah, it's a nice looking case. It feels great in the hand. So yeah, thanks for watching, and so thanks for watching, and bye bye.